Hello everyone, this is the continuation of exercise 3.1 of chapter 3 for class 10th. In the previous presentation, we discussed question number first and question number second of this exercise. Let's move on to the question number third of this exercise in this presentation. Question number third says the cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be rupees 160. After a month, the cost of 4 kilogram of apples and 2 kilogram of grapes was found to be 300 rupees. Represent the situation algebraically and geometrically. So let this cost of 1 kilogram of apples be rupees x. Therefore, the cost of 2 kg of apples कितनी हो जाएगी? 1 किलोग्राम की x रुपीस है तो 2 kilograms की हो जाएगी 2x. ठीक है? And the cost of 1 kilogram of grapes by हमने माना grapes की 1 किलो की cost कितनी है y. So cost of 1 kilogram of grapes कितनी हो जाएगी 1y. That will be the same. Okay, according to the question, the cost of 2 kilogram of apples and 1 kilogram of grapes is costing him 160 रुपीस. ठीक है, तो हम इसे इक्वेशन में कैसे लिख सकते हैं? फर्स्ट हो जाएगी 2 किलोग्राम ऑफ एप्पल्स प्लस 1 किलोग्राम ऑफ grapes. When they are bought together, they will cost 160 rupees. So this is your first equation. Now after a month, the cost of 4 kilogram of apples and 2 kilogram of grapes is found to be rupees 300. So the equation is 4x plus 2y is equal to 300. So now 4 kilogram of apples की cost कितनी हो जाएगी 4x and 2 kilogram of grapes की cost is 2y similarly. So it will be the total cost will be 300 rupees. So the two equations represented algebraically will give you like this 2x plus 1y is equal to 160 and 4x plus 2y is equal to 300. Now you have to represent these equations geometrically. In order to represent them geometrically, you have to make a solution table. Now for solving the first equation 2x plus 1y is equal to 160 which can be written as y is equal to 160 minus 2x. आप इसे simplified form में लिखेंगे किसी भी एक variable के format में. हमने let's suppose we are putting x is equal to 50. ठीक है, तो आपने यदि x की वैल्यू 50 रखी है तो y की वैल्यू क्या होगी ये देखिए 160 में से 2 into 50 that is 2 into 50 will be 100. 160 में से 100 को घटा दीजिए that will be 60 rupees. So if the cost of x is 50 then y will become 60. Now let's put we are taking any arbitrary value. You can take any feasible value which you can plot on the graph. ठीक है, 45 rupees यदि हमने लिया x के लिए then y की value will be 160 minus 2 into 45 that will be 90. So 160 minus 90 will give you 70. So you can see here that x values are 50 and 45 and y's values are respective y's values are 60 and 70. Now come to the next equation. The second, for solving the second equation 4x plus 2y is equal to 300, you have to convert this into a simpler form first. इसलिए हमने क्या किया है y is equal to 4x को पहले तो right hand side पर भेज दिया है तो it will be 300 minus 4x और 2 जो था इसमें multiplication में था तो वो divide में चला गया. So your equation has reduced to this form. Now let's put x is equal to 50 in the equation second. जब आप equation second में 50 रखेंगे तब देखिए y की value क्या vary होती है. Now 4 into 50 will be 200. So it will be 300 minus 200 upon 2. That will be 100 upon 2. That is 50. Okay. So for the value of x is equal to 50, you are getting a value of 50 in y. Now let's put x is equal to 40 in the equation. If you are putting x is equal to 40 in the equation, in the second equation, then 4 into 40 will be 160. Then 300 minus 160 upon 2. 140 upon 2. That will give you 70. Hence for the values x is equal to 40, y will give you 70. Now let's represent this two equations solution table geometrically. So you can take a graph x-axis and y-axis like this, and you can take a scale of 10, 10 or 25. Okay, take a difference of 5 or 10. We have taken here the difference of 10. So what you can do, you can plot the graph as you have learned in the previous questions as well. Okay, so you have to make sure that you write the equation of first and second both, and then change it. Okay, so with this, this exercise is complete, and let's move on to the next exercise in the next section. Thank you so much.